How to use Yupp AI. Want to task and compare hundreds of AI models side by side for free? Yupp AI lets you do just that. And here's how you can do that. So start by creating a free account on Yupp AI. So in here, you can go ahead and create an account with your Google account. Now, once you have an account on the platform, once logged in, you'll see a search bar where you can enter prompts for text, image, or code. Now, type in your request, anything from writing a blog post to generating an image. Yup AI will send your prompt into multiple AI models at once. So, simply enter your prompt into this section. After that, click on the send message button. You'll see responses from different AI engines and AI models displayed side by side. This makes it easy to compare creativity, accuracy, and style across models like GPT, Claude, Gemini, and more. Rate the outputs to help improve the platform, and your feedback earns credits, which allow you to keep using Yup AI for free. Check out the leaderboard to see which models perform best. You can also explore public chats to discover prompts shared by other users. So Yup AI is perfect if you want to test different AI models before choosing one. It's free, powerful, and community driven. And that is how to use Yup AI.